with number 5, because number 5 I had a lot of questions on yesterday. If it's asking me to solve for r, I need to end up with r equals something, and that something can't have an r in it, right? Solving means isolating. If I'm isolating r, I'm getting all by itself on one side. I can't have another r on the other side. That wouldn't be isolated. So here, what a lot of people decided to do was subtract q from both sides. But what we want to do, and what I said a couple times yesterday to do, is consolidate all your r's on one side. You want to combine your like terms. Just like a normal equation, I got to get all my like terms together. This is no different. If I add r to both sides, I get q equals what? What's r plus r? Is that r squared? Yeah, 2r. How can I get r all by itself now? Real easy, just divide by 2. So r is equal to q halves, or q over 2. Right? A lot easier that way. I got all my r's together on one side, isolated, nice and neat. That's what we would get. Now, onto the back. Number 11, if I'm solving for c, the d is way too close, so I'm not going to worry about that yet. I got to get rid of this b. Since b is positive, I got to subtract it. I get x minus b equals negative cd. Now, negative cd, just like the first problem in our warm-up, is a product base. It's basically -1 times c times d. So I could divide both sides by d and then divide both sides by -1, but if I'm dividing twice in a row, I might as well just do them at the same time, right? I'm going to divide both sides by negative d. That gets rid of my negatives, and it gets rid of that d. And I'm left with c equals negative x minus b over d. Give me a thumbs up if that's what you got for number 10. Alex got it. San got it. Benjamin. Robert got it. Oscar got it. Good. Connie and Vivian.
Wait. I think if I got negative b plus x.
Negative b plus x? It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's close enough. Number 11. Solve for g. Same kind of idea. I got to get rid of this 9h first. 10j plus 9h. Divide both sides by f. That was not too bad. 10j plus 9h, or 9h plus 10j over f. Is that one okay? That was not too bad, right? Okay. 13. I'll leave that there so you can see it. 13, I gotta solve for t. This is that fun one with the r word. You guys know what the r word is? Reciprocal. Good. I'm glad nobody said it. Anyway, I'm gonna solve for t. I gotta subtract the v away. I get r minus v equals 2/3 t. Now, when I have 2/3 t, I'm doing two things to my variable. I'm multiplying it by 2, and I'm dividing it by 3. So I could reverse that, multiply both sides by 3, and then divide both sides by 2. Or, if I want to clear this fraction, again, all in one big step, I can multiply both sides by the reciprocal. What is a reciprocal? Not necessarily the opposite, because the opposite would be a negative 2 over 3. Isaac? Upside down, right? Opposite would imply the sign is changing. I'm just flipping my fraction, because 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. What's 6 over 6t? Just 1t. So all those cancel out. I got my t all by itself. And we have to be careful here, though, because r minus v is an expression. It's its own little thing. So when I have this 3 here, what do I have to do with that 3? Distribute. 3r minus 3v over 2 is what we get. 3r minus 3v over 2 post-distribution on that one. Right? Does that look okay? I see scared looks on your faces. And red pens in motion. Which is good. Some of us are correcting in pencil. Bad. Correct in red. Right? As long as you get points taken off if you got something wrong. It's for you. It's for you to know what you did and what we did. That's why. All right? Dropping down to number 15. Number 15, just like the warm-up, I got to get A all by itself. There's a lot of layers to peel back here. I definitely want to start with that fraction, though, because I hate fractions and decimals and mixed numbers. So I get that negative 33 on the right. What do I want to do now? What would my next step be? Plus x. 10ac equals x minus 33. I'm going to write it like this just to make it look more appealing. I could say negative 33 plus x, but if I swap them around, it just makes it look a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer. Either way is fine. And again, this is a product base. I can divide by whatever I don't want, which is the 10 and the c. And that gives me x minus 33 over 10c. Is that one making sense for you guys? Yeah. Anyone get that right on their own? Quick show of thumbs. Yeah, Oscar, Vivian. Fellas over here. Good. If not, just make the correction. Am I going too fast?
No.
Are you guys seeing where you made your mistakes, Matthew? Negative 33 plus, yeah, like I said, I just swapped it around to look more appealing, but negative 33 plus x is the same exact thing, so yeah, that works too. And the last one, basically the same thing. I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. I got 6g equals df plus 10. I'll subtract my 10. Boom, boom. I got df equals 6g minus 10. And then just divide by d. F is equal to 6g minus 10 over d. You got that? Good. That's great. Any other questions on here we can answer? No? Are we feeling less scared of this stuff now that we've talked about it?
No, it's easy.
It's easy? Good. Good. All right. If